Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how I made $3,500 this week with affiliate marketing. You can see right over here, we have $2,400 on the screen right here in this JVZoo account. You can see $3,500 that we made. The other $1,050 came from winning the contest. You can see right over here, this is me, David Mills, won $1,000 extra. Look at all these people that I was going against, all these affiliates right here. And we were able to use my specific strategy. Video marketing is where it's at. All these guys right over here have massive email marketing lists, and I use primarily video to get the job done, and it worked like gangbusters. Was able to beat them all right there. So that was $1,000, and they actually did pay that. Then there was another $50 that they paid me for winning another contest, the main overall revenue contest. I got second place, and I only got $50 for that. But we can come over here in my PayPal account right here. You can see there's my business name, David Mills LLC, and you can see that there's that $1,000 they just paid me today, February 16th. I got that $1,000, and then you can see I have a lot of other money coming into my business as well. I'm just going to go over this particular affiliate marketing campaign. So I actually make more money than I'm showing you on the screen right now. And then here's that other $50 right over here. And this was part of the contest right over here. And so I got $50 right there. So that was that extra $1,100. And that's what brings us to our total of $3,500. And if we divide that by about 7 days, you can see that it was exactly $500 per day on this campaign that we're making with affiliate marketing. You might be wondering like how we were able to do this. How did we pull off all these sales? 45 sales right there, 14% conversion rate. Average per customer was $7.66, an average of $54 per sale, and very low traffic, laser targeted traffic, only 320 clicks. 300 people came to the landing page of the product that I was selling called Clickly, and 45 purchased for a total of $2,400. Pretty insane conversion rate and visitor value. And you might be wondering, like, how do we actually pull this off in this short amount of time? I'm going to take you through my process. So we're going to start off in vidIQ. We're just going to be using ChatGPT and vidIQ, show you how you can come up with and formulate a game plan. You can go out there and do this all on your own. Now, if you want to get extra help, extra guidance, coaching calls with me, direct message me, invest in yourself, invest in a mentor that is out there in the trenches and can prove to you that they know what they're talking about. They make money, they top leaderboards, and I can teach you how to do the same thing right here in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. Click the first link, go and check out this video, and then go and check out this full 9-minute walkthrough. I'll teach you everything that you need to know about what's inside. And if you're getting this video right now, I'm going to be changing the price tomorrow. So I'm going to keep this open because I'm recording this video ahead of time. You're going to see this on Thursday. So that's going to be 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's going to be February 19th. So basically on the end of February 19th, I'm going to change this right in front of you on the screen. February 19th, $47 on the 20th. So the price is officially going to go up on the 20th of February. So you'll have like a day, maybe 2 days to see this video and make a decision. Come join at $27 a month because the price is actually going up to $47 per month. I want to work with serious people that are serious about their business, that aren't afraid to put skin in the game and actually go out there and take what is theirs and get motivated and get serious. Right in here inside the community, I can go over here, look at all the courses and classes you get right over here. You get all the live calls right over here. Look at all the calls, anything you ever even dreamed about knowing about affiliate marketing, free traffic, conversions, hundreds of thousands of dollars earned online. I show you inside of here. I leave nothing out for this price point. Is nuts. Most people sell this for thousands of dollars and they really don't even know what they're talking about. It's usually based on theory. I'm teaching you what I'm actually doing out there. And I just come in here and put my money where my mouth is. I'll go to quick wins and you'll see $3,500 or $300 right here. This is $3,600 right now. This is just a one-off promotion that I did for somebody. We have people getting results. We've got Brian that came over here and shared his Warrior Plus earnings right there. He made $60 right there. No quick win is too small, right? Like if you make your first $10 online, come and share it with a community. If you make $100, you make $1,000. We also have people over here. Let me go see if I can find that other post. Look at all of the different money that I'm making. You can get sponsorships. You can make money with sponsorships. David went out there and he was eating a steak dinner at a nice steak restaurant and he got paid $2,500, got text messages of these incoming commissions coming into his account. We have big commissions, $2,500. We also have small commissions as low as like $8, $10 coming in, but people share their wins. Here's Bettina right over here, $300 for an affiliate marketing and AI summit right there. We have success in the community. Come and join. The link will be below. Come and get in at $27. If you're seeing this video late, The price might have already went up to $47, but I can tell you right now, this should be $100. This should be a $97. Eventually, it's probably going to go up to $97 per month. This is an amazing community. I've had this open since October of 2023, and I'm not planning on stopping anytime soon. So come and join. It's a small community right now of people that are like-minded and going out there and actually making money with YouTube and affiliate marketing. It's very simple. Okay, so back to the program. So right over here, we're going to use this tool, vidIQ. I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. Okay. So let's just say what I'm going to recommend to you, like you can go out there, and I've made other videos on promoting JVZoo and Warrior Plus products. It's called launch jacking. You can go to a site called Munjai and see what's coming up the next day and try to get approved as an affiliate. But there's even a better way that I recommend in 2026 that is going to get you steady, evergreen income. These are one-off. This was a big promotion. I put together a system that actually worked. I went over that in my last video. This is kind of what it looks like, right? We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos right there. We did a warm-up video. We did a pricing video. We did a review video. We did a suggested viral video, and then we did an OTO specific video right there. You can see right over here that we literally got 900 real views, right? When you subtract, I did a little bit of advertising on this video, only 900 views, and we made $3,600. So this is a system right here that I recommend if something's launching and there's a window, there's scarcity, there's real scarcity involved. It's a 5 to 7 day launch. This is a system that works really well. Go watch make it to the very, very end of this video. The video that I recommend will be that video going over this process right here. But what I want to talk to you about right now is what I'm recommending to my students right now who just want to build a sustainable, evergreen business where they can make money on a daily basis and they don't have to worry about this really big launch and all these videos and everything, where they can just have a system put in place on what to do next. Step 1, step 2, step 3, A, B, C. I'm going to show you that in this video. So we're going to go to vidIQ. I'm going to go to keywords and I'm going to type in something. Let's just say I type in vibe coding. This can be email marketing, funnel building, WordPress tutorials, like whatever software or niche or whatever you feel like you want to teach and kind of build a channel around. This is what you would do, right? So vibe coding is huge right now because if I go over that and I push enter, you'll see that this is a very new term that we're already estimating over 1 million search volume right here, right? So vibe coding right over here. And you can see all the search terms right over there. Now, another thing that you can do over here is you can go to related keywords and you could grab all of these keywords right over here, 173 keywords right over here, or even better to start off, we could go with the related keywords after we already get an initial 10 to 30 videos out. Then maybe we can go back over here to related keywords. I recommend putting in your broad keyword, 1 million search volume, and it's only going up every single month. Go over here and click on matching terms, highlight all those 290 keywords. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to click that button. They're copied. And then we're going to head over here to ChatGPT. You're going to put in this prompt, pick out 10 best keywords from this list. Main topic is vibe coding. Pick out phrases that have at least 3 words or more in them. They're going to be less competitive, right? They're going to get you going. They're going to get you signaling to the YouTube algorithm of this is what your channel is all about. Then we can start getting in and doing a little bit more broader keywords and so forth. But we want them to have at least 3 or more. Then we're going to go over here and pick the ones you think have the lowest competition but highest chance to rank and get views from YouTube. And then you can go right here. Here's the list. We're going to paste that in a comma. We're going to let ChatGPT do its thing. Now, you can go with auto, but I'm actually going to use thinking. I would rather it take its time and get real good information for us. I'm going to go ahead and push go. It's going to fire away. It's going to start thinking. It's going to start working on this right now. Here are 10 long tail 3-word phrases from your list that I bet on lower competition and strong YouTube search intent right here. So we have those keywords right over here. We have how to do vibe coding tutorial for beginners, how to do vibe coding in Cursor, vibe coding with Google AI. So it took this massive list of keywords right over here. And that's a lot to look at. It's overwhelming. Like, how do you pick what keyword you should go for, right? And one thing that people do is they overcomplicate this process and they overthink their video ideation, content creation idea. When you're a new YouTuber and you have no videos, you need to, the way that I teach is tutorial-based educational content, helpful content that usually revolves around some type of software. In this case, it's vibe coding niche. And this is something that anybody can do. You don't have to be a high-skilled technical person. You don't have to be a professional YouTuber with amazing lighting and cameras. Like, no, we're not scripting our videos. What I teach you is to just be a normal, everyday, average person that just wants to help people and show them along the way software that you're using and how to do something, right? You're going to take all this information, you're going to go back in here, it's going to give us our keywords. And then now what you can do is you can grab these keywords right over here. You can copy that and you can come back into vidIQ, and I'll leave a link to vidIQ. I do recommend, if you're going to take this serious, that you at least pay like $12 a month, $15 a month for their paid plan. Don't use their free plan. You're not going to get all these keywords. You're not going to get 300 keywords. You're not going to be able to use the AI. If you want to invest in your business, you want to start making the money that I'm showing you on camera right here, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars per month, you're going to need to invest in a tool. And right now I'm highly recommending vidIQ in general. vidIQ will get your thumbnail made. It'll do your keyword research. You have your AI chat. Now, we could have done this whole process right here. We could have done that in ChatGPT, but you can use ChatGPT for free to get this part, right? Then you copy all those keywords, you come over here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to say, here is my niche and specific keywords I want you to create my next 10 video titles. Keep all these keywords in the titles, but make the titles also have a browse recommended part of the title as well. Now you can make that prompt a little bit better, sound a little bit better, but here are the keywords, and then push paste, and then we're going to say go. And now vidIQ is going to go out there and do its thing. So what you're going to do when you join vidIQ, you're going to go and hook it up to your channel, right? So it's actually going to be connected to your channel. It's going to be able to get stats from your channel. It's going to be able to know what videos performed well on your channel. So it's going to even cater it even more to your channel. And then what we can do right here, so it's looking for YouTube channel data. So it's finding, all what's worked for us. When you have multiple channels hooked up to it, you can also switch between the different channels and manage more than one channel at a time. But then here it's doing its thing, right? Your vibe coding video titles. These titles are designed to bridge the gap between search, people looking for specific answers, and browse. So since your channel focuses on real work, escaping the 9-to-5, so I should have again done this with my Learn Wire channel. Look, how to do vibe coding. Stop writing code manually. How to do vibe coding. Creating our title right here. The target keyword, vibe coding tutorial. Build your first app, vibe coding tutorial for beginners. vidIQ is smart enough to know that it needs to put the viral scroll stopping recommended browse part of the title in the front of the titles. These titles right here are really good. You can use these titles. You're going to be able to show up for search right here on the left-hand side, but also this first part of these titles are a clickable chance to go and get browse traffic as well, recommended traffic. You also have a chance to rank best tech stack for vibe coding. This is an amazing way to create titles. If you want this, it's going to give us all these tips right over here. And then you can continue. All we have to do is say, okay, cool, give me my next 10 ideas. Listen to this. You got to get started, right? Go out there and create these first 10 videos. Something's going to happen in those 10 videos. One of the videos is going to get, even in the worst case scenario, you're going to post all 10 of these videos, and one of the videos, maybe the max that you got was 25 views. So you go out there and you publish these 10 videos, and most of your videos get less than 10 views. And then one of them pops off and gets 50 views. And it's like right over here, like vibe coding workflow for quality code. Then you're going to go and take this keyword, you're going to go make another video right after it, and maybe change this front part right over here. And then you can double down and scale that keyword that performed well for you. Or you can take that keyword and be like, cool, this performed well for us. So can you create 10 videos around that keyword? See how this works, guys? You're using AI, but you're using it the right way. You're still getting to work. Let me be honest with you and shoot you straight. There's no magic pill, no magic button that's going to magically make you thousands of dollars. You are going to have to work for it. The only thing that you could maybe push a few buttons and start making money is day trading or investing. And that is a massively risky game. And if you don't have $100,000 to invest in it and lose, you're literally playing with real money. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose money. So I don't recommend that as a starting option for side hustles or making money online. So with that said, it doesn't matter if you're trying to build websites and blog and do local rank and rent or whatever you're trying to do, right? You're going to have to work to get to a place where you're starting to make income on a daily basis online. I'd love to teach you how YouTube, I was all over the place for 15 years. I was freelancing and making money on Fiverr and building Amazon niche websites, and I've done a lot of things online, and I have made money in several different ways, probably 15 or 20 different ways. But the one that really started paying the bills, or I've made multiple six figures doing, was just free traffic from YouTube, tutorial style videos. I teach you all about that inside of my school program. I'd love for you to come in here and join. It's the $27 price point that's going to go away on February 20th. After February 20th, the price is going to $47. It's still very much a steal, even at $47. I'd love to have you as our next member. Come and take your business serious. Start building a real business that you can be proud of in 2026. We'll see you soon.